Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Gene Info. I hope you will be fine this time. Talk about TRP rating. Vasudha maintains its winning streak. Will क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी and Anupama rise to the top. The OGs क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी and Vasudha struggle to regain their spots on the top while some new dramas are slowly winning the audience's hearts. By Lavleen Kaur updated on 21st May 2026. It is the time of the week again. The highly anticipated TRP chart for the week is finally out and some of the top runners have continued to maintain their winning streak, while some OGS are struggling to keep their loyal viewers hooked. Some new high-octane dramas are running ahead in the race. Vasudha leads the TRP chart yet again. Vasudha has officially seized the top spot with a spectacular rating of 1.8. The show's grand high-intensity drama and stellar performances have resonated with the audience, securing the second spot with a rock-solid 1.7. Rating is Ganga Mai Ki Betiyan, being rolled by Ravi Dubey and Sarjan Mehta. एकता कपूर is creation led by Simriti Irani क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी clinches the third spot with a 1.6 rating. The dramatic showdowns in the Virani mansion have gripped the nation all over again. It is closely followed by the romantic drama Tumse Tum Tak with an equal 1.6 rating. The undeniable sizzling chemistry between the leads has kept the fans truly glued to their screens. In eye-shocking turns of events, the former undisputed king of the TRP charts, Rupali Gangali's Anupama has slipped down to the fifth position just like last week with a 1.5 rating despite major emotional twists and turns. Top 5 TV shows with last week's TRP rating. Number 1 Vasudha 1.8, Ganga Mai की बेटियां 1.7, क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी 2 1.6, तुमसे तुम तक 1.6, number 5 Anupama 1.5. The battle gets even tighter as we move down. The leader Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma continues to surprise smiles, comfortable holding on to the sixth spot with its situational comedy. The supernatural franchise Nagin 7 is serving pure thrill, making its way into the seventh position. Fans are loving the chaotic kitchen energy, keeping laughter chefs unlimited entertainment at number 8. With intense family politics and complicated relationships क्योंकि रिश्तों के भी रूप बदलते हैं is at number 9. Rounding off the list at number 10 is ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है. For more updates, stay tuned to Pink Villa. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.